Welcome to World Literature 1. I'm your professor, Pat Hanahoe-Dosch. Please make sure you read the message I left you in the new section on the course homepage. Also, please make sure you can find and use all of the sections of this class, as well as all of the sections of Brightspace, or sometimes known as D2L. That was the old name for it. I have set the course up in weekly learning modules. You must go through each learning module each week and read and watch the materials. Then do the assignments given there. If you don't read and watch the materials, you won't be successful, and I want you to be successful. Please feel free to contact me through Zoom, chat, email, phone, or stop by my Lancaster campus office, Main 320, during my office hours. If you email me to say you want to talk by phone, I will call you back. That's probably more effective than calling my office number because I'm only in my office during my office hours. But if you email me, say, please call me, I want to talk to you by phone, I will call you back. Just make sure that you include your phone number as well as your name and course number in the email. It's important to remember to get help when you need it. That's part of my job, helping you. And so it's important to ask for it when you need it. Otherwise, I have no way of knowing that you need the help. Now, we also have a wonderful hack librarian named Ms. Lisa Weigard, who can also answer questions about research and citations. You can contact her again also through email or through the discussion section where there's a specific place to ask her questions. Also, this is very important. Please make sure that you follow directions when doing assignments. If you read the general grading standards that I put in the folder labeled Important in the content section, it states that not following directions can earn you an F for not meeting the parameters of the assignment. That's going to be true in many of your college classes. So please take the time, read all directions carefully, and follow them carefully. You can check out more information about me by clicking on the About Your Professor link in the Start Here module. I'm looking forward to working with all of you this semester. Take care, work hard, and we'll learn a lot. And we're going to have great adventures in other cultures, times, and places, because that's what happens when we read great literature. We get to explore new worlds, new places, old times, other people's thoughts and lives, and have grand adventures on the way. See you later.